Alger fever is taking the country by storm. Even mga artista like Coco Martin nagre-request ng kanta kay Alger, no? So gano'n kalupit or gano'n kasikat ang Alger fever dito sa Pilipinas. But aside from Alger, we actually have one more celebrity na sobrang talented din pala. Talented din pala, no? So someone sent me a video. This is the video. Oh shit. She kind of killed that. Oh man, she kind of killed that. To be honest with you guys. Well, again, that is RC Munoz. No, hindi ko inaakala na wala sa checklist ko ng 2025 na makita si RC Munoz as a rock star. So there are a few videos floating around of RC Munoz singing songs in a rock version and also performing like a rock star. So today, we're gonna watch a few of RC Munoz video and we'll see if RC Munoz is on Alger's level, Alger's fever level. Let's see. So there's a video of of RC Munoz singing a Disney song in metal version. Let's see. Oh my god, let it go. RC, I think you have to let it go. Let's go. Oh, let it go. I'll never see me cry. Here I stand. Here I stand. A dream is a wish your heart make when you're best asleep. Oh, sorry. Parang medyo creepy yung medyo naging creepy yung no? Yung part na yun. I don't know if this is a bit or this is like I don't know if this is if RC Munoz is actually serious about this. I don't know, man. We're just the same. Ever a surprise. Ever as before. Ever as the shore. As the sun will rise. Oh, oh, oh. Someone be worth the people. Like, yung reaction pa niya na after sa kumanta na. Like, parang feeling niya sobrang proud siya na, fucking nailed it. I fucking nailed it. I wanna see them dancing, strolling around my nose. What's going on? Straight. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day and dancing, wandering free. Wish I could be part of your world. I feel like she actually, thought na she nailed it. All of it in a metal version. Oh man, ano na nangyayari? Ano na nangyayari sa Pilipinas? What is fucking happening? Grabe ka, RC Munoz, nakaka-inspire ka. Next cover, mouth. Next cover, mouth. Out of tune yung imaginary mic. Yep. I don't actually, hindi ko makuha yung tono niya sa mga version, mga Disney version or Disney song na inaanta niya. Hindi ko lang makuha yung tono na fina-follow niya. yung scream na lang yung ko, yung narinig ko. Ay, ating RC, wait lang, nalito na rin ako kung saan tayo pwede dalhin ng tono ng Medyo flat. Medyo flat yun, no? I love the way na she's so, like, confident and proud. Oh, I see you. I see you. You know you want this. You know you want this. Oh. Oh. Man. Tumigil na lang siya. I mean, I'm getting the... I wanna dive na. I'm getting the cringe, no? Like, ano siya, parang tag dito. Alam niya sa sarili niya, aware siya na medyo, medyo biglang liko yung tono niya. Like, tinigil na lang niya, no? Hindi niya na tinuloy. Naglakad na lang. Oh, man. What the hell? Where do we go? What's that? Bakit may ganun? Bakit may ganun ano? Why? That's just a straight up screaming, no? Sumigaw na lang siya sa part na yun eh. I guess nakakita siya ng ipis sa daan. No? Let's not, judge. Baka nakakita siya ng ipis pagbaba. No? Napasigaw siya. Like, he's doing the, like, yung bibig niya magaya. No, like, like, parang parang she's expecting na she's gonna do a vocal run, but the melody is just flat, no? Just flat in there. Tapos, alam mo yung sobrang gusto ko yung sobrang confident siya dito, no? Like, tinuturo pa niya yung mga audience. Let's go! Diba? Sobrang dami ng ganun big niya, oh. Diba? I-expect mo sobrang daming kulot nun, no? Sobrang daming kulot na nangyari niyan. Pero the vocal and the melody is just flat. No? Just flat straight. Owen! Oh. I see. What are you doing? Medyo nilayuan siya ng tona, no? Medyo umalis na yung tono eh. Hindi sa part na yon. Sa ibang mga part ng kanta. Sa ibang part ng mga kanta, medyo ito yung tono, diba? Ito yung parang straight line yung tono. Medyo lumiliko siya ng konti, pero makabalik din naman kahit paano. Doon sa part na yun, pag ito yung tono straight, gumanon yung tono niya eh, oh. Umalis na yung tono niya. Oh, man. Mahal ko kayo.
Salamat kayo.
Oh, this is like a province tour or show. Maintindihan ko pa sana kung like Ann Curtis, 'di ba? Ann Curtis nag-ano pa nga si Ann Curtis, nag-concert pa nga eh, 'di ba? But yung kay Ann Curtis kasi alam niya sa sarili niya na she's not, a great singer. Aware siya doon. So nag-play around siya sa idea na 'yon, no? That's why they enjoy siya ng mga tao, right? But for RC, on the case of RC, parang siyang parang she actually believes na nagawa niya, no? Na she actually nailed it. Like every nota is na hit niya. Like every scream na ginawa niya is fucking good. Perfect. I mean, we have Aljur again, no? Aljur, ang ano lang kay Aljur is parang sobrang, I don't know, OA yung pagkakakanta niya, but he actually can sing. You know? Nasa tono naman si Aljur at papaano. But, I mean, siguro ang favorite na kasabihan ni RC Munoz is, follow your dreams, no? Follow your dreams. Maybe RC actually want to be a rock star. Man, I guess hindi lahat ng pangarap is kailangan mong sundin, no? I guess hindi lahat ng pangarap is kailangan mong sundin. But yeah, I just want to share that to you guys. Just want to talk about it because that this videos made my day today. Yeah, yun lang.